Sunshine beating on the good times, moonlight raising from the grave, string band playing more of that honky-tonks, pretty young thing going dancing in the rain. High heel lady spitting at the Nicky Jacks, businessman with a